Welcome back to our garden series where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about sage Berggarten, also known as Salvia officinalis. Berggarten is a cultivar of common sage plant. It is native to the Mediterranean region where it has been cultivated and used for culinary and medicinal purposes for centuries. The cultivar Berggarten was developed in Germany and was introduced in the 1990s. Sage Berggarten is a hardy perennial plant that grows up to 2 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. Its foliage is a pale gray-green with large, broad leaves that are often used for culinary purposes. The plant produces small tubular purple-blue flowers in the late spring or early summer. Sage Berggarten prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It can tolerate dry conditions and is drought-tolerant once established. It is hardy in USDA zones 5 through 9, but may require protection in colder climates. Sage Berggarten is often planted with other herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and oregano, as well as vegetables such as tomatoes and peppers. It is said to repel pests such as cabbage moths and carrot flies. Sage Berggarten is primarily used for culinary purposes, particularly in the Mediterranean cuisine. Its leaves are often used to flavor meat, fish, and vegetable dishes. It is also used in teas and as a natural remedy for sore throats and digestive issues. In addition, the plant is ornamental and can be used as a landscaping plant or in containers on patios and decks. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information. Thanks for watching.